Hello and welcome. In this video, we will see installation guide for Factory IO software version 2.5.1. So here I have downloaded the Factory IO version 2.5.1 from their website. Now we will see the installation of Factory IO version 2.5.1. Okay. So this is the installer file. All we have to do is double click on this installer file to start the installation. Now, first of all, you have to choose your language. So English is default language for me. So I'll press OK. And then set up Factory IO. All you have to press is next here. And then you have to accept the agreement. So you have to take this radio button. I accept the agreement. And then next. And then installation directory. If you want to change the installation location, then you can change by clicking on this button. Otherwise, you can leave as it is the default installation directory and then press next. After that, if you want to install the OPC dependencies, then you have to tick this checkbox. Otherwise, you can uncheck this. But in my case, I want to install the OPC dependencies. So that is why I will tick it and then I'll press next. Now setup is ready to install the Factory IO software on my system. So all I have to do is press next and then installation is begin. Okay, so our Factory IO software is installed successfully. As you can see the message, setup has been finished installing Factory IO on your computer. All we have to do is press on finish. Okay, now as you can see on my screen, I have Factory IO icon on my desktop to start the application Factory IO. So we will double click on this icon to start the Factory IO. So here is our Factory IO version 2.5.1. Okay, so we have successfully installed Factory IO version 2.5.1. Okay, so this is how you can install the Factory IO version 2.5.1. If you have any doubt regarding installation, then you can ask us on the comment box, or otherwise you can directly ask us in the Telegram. Okay, so see you in the next video. Till then, take care, goodbye, and thank you.